Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this flavors from India, Lay's Tomato Tango. So, there's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And nutrient panel. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's opened. And let's grab one and do a quick taste test. There it is. Okay, it has a really strong tomato flavor. It's actually quite good. It's not like ketchup flavored chips, things that it actually tastes like tomato. Actually pretty good. Think of it like a spaghetti sauce. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video.